It's finally come to STAGEit. Build your scene on the Vision Pro with a variety of models and then export them as one single USDZ file which you can edit on your favorite desktop editor. Check it out. Hello. So we have made some pretty important updates to STAGEit, and I'm going to talk about one of them in this video, and that is export to USDZ. So at the minute you can build scenes in STAGEit, but the blocker has been you needed STAGEit to view the scene you had built. Now you can export that scene to a USDZ, and this video is going to show you how that works. So I'm going to import a demo scene that I've created, made up of a combination of models I've bought from various places. Some I've bought, some I've made, but they've all been pulled together in STAGEit to build this scene. Some are animated, and they look really good. So I'm going to create a little copy of this widget we have here. So you're going to modify your scene, getting it ready for export. You want to tweak something, move something. So I'm making a little change. There is one thing I need to do. One of the models I bought did not come with a global scale inside it. So the export mechanism looks at the scale of each model to make sure that when you've scaled it finally, it comes out at the right size. If it comes out super huge or super tiny, it's because it doesn't have that, so you can actually override it. That's what I did there. And now I'm going to export that as a USDZ, and I'm going to airdrop it to my Mac, which I actually am using the extended monitor here on my Vision Pro, so it's a nice and seamless workflow. I'm going to import it here into Reality Composer Pro, and it imports really quickly, and it looks really good. You can see here all the individual items that make up the scene in STAGEit are brought through intact and as individual objects for editing in Reality Composer Pro. This is Blender, just showing how nicely it works with Blender. Again, imports nice and quickly, looks really good. It comes through as component parts, and again, you can render it and it looks cracking and enables you to further edit it. I also imported it into SketchUp. This took forever. I think that's SketchUp's import engine is just a little bit slow, but once it was in, it was really performant and it looked really good. So yeah, you can use a variety of tools, anything that supports USDZ. So that's export to USDZ. It's really powerful if you want to share the content that you've created to other users to use on standard programs that can support import, Blender, Maya, Autodesk, whatever. Should be on the App Store in the next few days.